express lane, bro. Fuck, bro. Oh, but it didn't charge me, no? I don't think so. I mean, I didn't pass by a toll. I don't fucking know. Whatever. little bit of a turn now. Literally fucking somebody just got, like, somebody just ran off the road with like a pickup truck and a trailer and shit. Oh fuck, damn. I don't know if you guys can see that, but take a look at that shit, bro. Oh shit. Dude literally fucking, fuck. He literally, bro, damn. He fucking plowed through an electrical box, the gate, everything. God damn. Transmission? Oh, okay. Well, I think that's someone from my transmission, the transmission people calling me.
A few moments later.
Oh, interesting. Here's a little sneak peek for what's next in the car, guys. As you guys know, I have a balloon, it's not balloon, the trans is not balloon, but it's not the greatest trans in the world. So as you guys know, I need to fix this, right? Because it's annoying having to do this. Go really slow on it because, you know, because it's grinding. This gear is grinding. The second gear grinds hard. Like, certain pros are destroyed. And plus, it's an old trans, and I like to fuck around. As you guys see, you know, I like to fuck around. I don't. This trans is not really having it. The clutch is not having it. I'm gonna just replace everything. So look, I gotta go really slow and really at an angle. Like, I don't know why, but when you put the shifter at an angle, it doesn't grind sometimes. I don't know. It's really weird. But anyway, it's a little sneak peek. I just got off the phone with somebody about something having to do with transmission. So just a little sneak peek for what's to come. One of these upcoming videos. That's also why I haven't uploaded it, because I've been too busy fucking saving money. Like, I don't think I should be really doing this here, but I've been saving some money, guys. So you know, I've been saving some money. So yeah, that's what I've been up to for like the past uploads. That's why I haven't been uploading too much. That's why I was gonna sell the old bike. That's why I was gonna sell the bike, because of this. But I realized I'm not gonna sell it. I might as well just save up money. I'm gonna sell it to somebody who's not like I don't know. I might as well just save the money because I'm working for it anyway. So that's why I'm not selling the bike anymore. But it was going to contribute to that cash. Looks like I'm back to my old place. This is my old neighborhood. Well, not neighborhood, it's not a neighborhood, but you know, this is my old street. So that way you guys know. So anywho, that's me for today's video, guys. As you can tell, I'm a little sick. My voice is fucked, but whatever, we're still making it through. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bike videos coming up soon. I found my helmet, so you already know we're gonna be mobbing the streets with that. And well, with this thing, you guys should already have a hint what's next for it. Hopefully we can get it real dialed in real good, and then who knows, maybe I'll film a race between me and my friend's 370Z. Who knows, we'll see. Maybe if I can get him off the first or second, and it'll be screwed. But anyway, again, thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys for the support. Remember, goal for this year is 1,000 subs. Trying to get monetized so I can help out the channel. And well, love you guys, peace, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.